Work with Designer Roofing and Restoration, a local certified roofing contractor serving the greater Savannah and Hilton Head area. Today's topic, the most common types of roof repairs. Roof repairs are a common part of home ownership. Keeping up with the maintenance on your roof is essential to avoid costly repairs down the line. Understanding the most common types of roof repairs can help you properly maintain your home, ensuring that it remains in good condition for years to come. Businesses, too, benefit from proper roof maintenance on their low-sloping industrial and commercial roofing. Leaks are among the most frequent issues requiring repair on a residential or commercial roof. Leaks and water damage can occur due to weakened shingles, improper flashing, missing shingles, poorly sealed seams, or from poor installation techniques. Sealing around chimneys and vents is another important area that should be checked regularly, as these gaps in your roof can result in major water damage if not properly addressed. Small cracks in flashing and around chimneys, vents, and skylights are prime examples of common roof repairs that, if caught early, can prevent costly damage. Inspection can also reveal loose nails, dry rotted vent boot covers, ponding water, poorly working gutters, water damage, and signs of storm damage from hail or wind. Unfortunately, roofers aren't usually called until there's an active leak, when oftentimes a little maintenance could have prevented these leaks. Many roof repairs are preventable, and prevention is key to keeping your roof in good condition. Unaddressed issues can cause major damage and result in costly repairs down the road. Fortunately, most roof repairs are avoidable with regular inspections and timely care by a professional roofer. Preventive measures like regularly cleaning your gutters and keeping tree limbs cut away from your roof can also help. Storms may also leave debris that accumulates on top of your roof, which can cause water to back up and pool under certain areas, leading to eventual leaks if not cleared away. For more details, contact Designer Roofing and Restoration, the last roofer you'll ever need.